I'm Dr. Antiveros, or Dr. O. We all know that oral health is important for many reasons: bad breath, oral pain, loss of teeth, as well as systemic illness. We do have a video for you to watch that'll take you behind the scenes of what happens on a day of a dental cleaning when you come in.
So here's Levi arriving to meet the medical staff. After checking in, our technician will first ask you some questions about your pet and get his weight before the doctor comes in for a full wellness exam. As part of your pet's exam, your doctor will examine your pet's teeth and grade them on a scale from 1 to 4 to determine the level of cleaning they will need and make sure that your pet is healthy enough to undergo the procedure. We pull the lab work during the exam and give any core vaccines that may be necessary prior to the procedure, as we want to make sure your pet is protected while staying in the hospital. Since we have sick patients that come through, we don't want anything to be transmitted to your pet. As you can see, the blood draw is very quick and Levi is distracted while we love on him. At that point, we'll schedule you for the actual cleaning procedure a few days later. That delay gives us time to get the lab work back and helps us to make sure the liver and kidneys are healthy enough for anesthesia. It also gives time to tailor our anesthetic medication specifically to your pet. This brings us to the day your pet comes back for the dental cleaning. Levi arrives during his morning drop-off window and after checking in is brought back to get prepped for the procedure. We shave for and place an IV catheter, which allows us access to a vein for preoperative drugs and IV fluids. Those fluids will allow us to maintain blood pressure and circulation to the kidneys while he's under anesthesia. All our patients get a preoperative exam by the doctor. We want to ensure that your pet is healthy enough to undergo anesthesia. Patients then get their pre-anesthetic medication, which reduces anxiety and makes the anesthesia induction smoother. Levi is now blissfully relaxed in the pre-op area as the medications are taking effect. We intubate all our patients for surgery, which means we put in an endotracheal breathing tube. That allows us to protect their airway from dislodged bacteria and tartar during the dental cleaning. Levi doesn't feel this because he was given a medication to let him gently fall asleep. Once that breathing tube is placed, we will hook your pet up to oxygen and a small amount of anesthetic gas to be sure they're super relaxed. Next, we hook up all our monitoring equipment, which includes an EKG to monitor the heart and a pulse ox to monitor his oxygen levels. This is done to ensure all vitals are within normal range. We like to take pictures before and after the dental so that you can see the improvement in your pet's teeth. We do a professional cleaning just like you would have done at your dentist office, using the same equipment. Using a professional dental scaler to remove hard tartar, the process is tedious and time-consuming, but rewarding at the same time. We follow up with a polishing, which makes the surface of the tooth nice and smooth to discourage plaque from sticking to them. The doctor charts the teeth to look for fractures, broken teeth, missing teeth, or bone loss, and the technician will take any x-rays the doctor has requested. At discharge, we will show you the x-rays if we find anything that needs to be discussed. While your pet is waking up, we do a toenail trim, which he's too groggy to get stressed about. Once they're off the oxygen, we transfer them to a post-op area. Before removing the breathing tube, we monitor them until they're able to swallow on their own and can protect their airway. As you can see here, we are stimulating Levi until he's ready to get that tube out. Looks like he's ready to see his parents and walk on his own. When you come for pickup, the doctor will go over the discharge instructions with you, answer any remaining questions, and go over their recommendations. We'll send you home with printed instructions and a complimentary dental chew. It was a great day. Levi looks pretty happy and his teeth look great.
Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our medical staff or client care team, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you might have.